Fix yip-smart-tag-beeping. Mock screens only. Start with the quick battery contact check. Loose or flattened springs cause many random yip beeps. Insert a coin into the back notch, press gently, and twist counterclockwise until the yip cover releases. Lift the CR2032 carefully. Avoid sharp metal tools that can scratch the compartment or bend the spring contacts. With the battery out, gently lift the two small springs so they stand evenly and touch the cell firmly. Place the CR2032 back, with the plus side facing up. It should sit flat and press evenly against the springs. Line up the cover, press it down, and twist clockwise until it locks. Then listen for any repeated beeping. If the beeping continues, update the Yip app, test away from 2.4 GHz interference, then contact Yip support. Scan the QR for the full HotAirTag guide.